Hi, in today's video we're going to carry on with what we did last week or the week before, which is a handstand progression. So there are going to be some different exercises that we're going to throw in today, and this all will lead into a good handstand progression.
We're still going to be hitting the same type of muscle groups, so make sure you're warming up those shoulders, that core, and anything posterior thigh in the back of the legs, pretty much all over. So have a great time.
Yep, have a great time. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please like, comment and subscribe. See you at the end.
It's been some damn heavy years.
Right, this exercise is called a press and tuck, and what you're going to get from this is 3 different exercises. So you're going to work your abs, mainly the lower abs. You're going to get a muscle stretch, and also you're going to work your quads at the same time and your shoulders. Let's go for it.
Oh no, I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive. Slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again. This time I don't feel lonely. Nowadays I attract people who act nice to me. I don't waste my time. Nowadays I observe, look for things I deserve. 'Cause I don't need my mountains to climb. But I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive. Slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again.
Wow, your abs are really going to get tense doing this exercise. It's great for your shoulders, great for your abs, great for your quads, and great for your form.
So seated single leg lift. We're going to be seated down, legs wide apart like we're doing a seated straddle, but this time have your hands either side of the leg. You're going to raise and flutter. Keep that toe pointed, very importantly. Keep the leg long and straight and lock at that knee. Let's do this.
I'm falling damn deep. I don't need to go there. I don't wanna go there, no, no. No, no. No, no. I don't wanna go there, no, no. I don't need you, so you better treat me good or I will leave you. I want you, but not to the cost of everything. No, I won't haunt you. 'Cause I got self-esteem now, because I care for me now. I picked up all the million pieces of my broken heart. No, I don't need you, so you better treat me good or I will leave you. I wanna be with you, so you better treat me good or I will leave you.
And time.
Your quads are definitely going to feel that. They'll be tense all over, but like I said before, try your best to keep that knee as straight as possible. Lock it out, keep that toe pointed.
I'm going to be performing a wall straddle to a wall straight. So essentially what I'm doing is my legs are going to straddle, go wide, and I'm going to hold for 15 seconds, and the other side of it is going to be a straight, which is a 15-second straight hold. Let's go.
Problems, I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution, I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone.
can see, that was tough. That's my first time trying to attempt to do 30 seconds hold, and it takes a little while for you to build up the strength to do it 30 seconds straight. Just keep practicing and you'll get it.
This is going to be a handstand press. We're going to come down in a wide stance with the hands, spread those fingertips, and you're going up in the air into a scissor action, keeping the legs straight and one out behind you. When you're returning to that neutral position, make sure you're coming up tall and straight, but obviously keep your head in a set position. That way you're going to have more stability and more balance. So a lot of core work. Let's go for it. As you can see, try as much as you can to not try and travel. Keep your balance as much as possible, head neutral, and stand in a neutral position. Enjoy.
Hi, this is a floor split tuck, and what you're going to get from this exercise is a proper hamstring stretch, and it's also going to increase the mobility of your back. Let's go.
Holding on to a feeling so strong.
What you're going to find when you do this exercise is that you're going to find it hard to breathe because your lungs are sort of being pressed. So what you have to learn to do is breathe from your stomach, and that will greatly aid your breathing. Also, when you do this, relax your stomach, because when you're trying to press down, your stomach, if it's tense, the range of movement is going to be reduced.
Performing a band-assisted forward lean. Be very careful with this exercise. Now what we've done is we've set up 2 resistance bands or something high, preferably you may be able to use something like an outdoor like climbing apparatus or a rig. Essentially try to make sure with your foot as well, you've already got one placed inside, but when you're ready to walk forward now on the ground, you've already got that set in place. Let's do this.
I can do anything.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you have any questions, then please leave them in the comment section and we will do our best to respond. Please also note that you can help the channel by liking, subscribing and sharing. Thanks once again, and we will see you in the next one.
But our trains will never run forever. Something else is on your mind. Like everything is good.
With that, you're going to be really fine buoyancy, so try your best to sort of lift from the back, to lean forward slightly more, hold that core in tight, but you'll be fine. Obviously coming back, be very careful, same before, one leg out, and then the other one. Enjoy.
Fight, but the worst is no